everything's so fun, oh boy, my sweet boy. Hey, you got a smile so bright, your pearls be making me so blind. Oh, you sugarcoat your words just to make sure that I don't get hurt. You make me higher than a sire, treat me like royalty. Do me a favor and just take me away. Tall and gentle, too hard to handle. You're all that I want. You're all that I want. Don't you know, baby? Sweet as nectar, honeysuckle. You make everything so fun, oh boy, my sweet boy. Riding down, my hand on your seat the whole way round. I carry band-aids on me now, for when your soft hands hit the jagged ground. Wheels aren't even touching the ground. Scared to take them off, but they're so worn down. Promise I won't push you straight to the dirt. If you promise me you'll take them off first. I love everything you do. When you call me fucking dumb for the stupid shit I do. Wanna ride my back with you, fully undressed, no training wheels left for you. I'll pull them hard for you. I love everything you do. When you call me fucking dumb for the stupid shit I do. Wanna ride my back with you, fully undressed, no training wheels left for you. I'll pull them hard for you. Letting go, telling you things you already know. I explode, asking you where you want us to go. You've been riding two-wheelers all your life. It's not like I'm asking to be your wife. I wanna make you mine, but that's hard to say. Is this coming off in a cheesy way? I love everything you do. When you call me fucking dumb for the stupid shit I do. Wanna ride my back with you, fully undressed, no training wheels left for you. I'll pull them hard for you. I love everything you do. When you call me fucking dumb for the stupid shit I do. Wanna ride my back with you, fully undressed, no training wheels left for you. I'll pull them hard for you. Everything you do. When you call me fucking dumb for the stupid shit I do. Wanna ride my back with you, fully undressed, no training wheels left for you. I'll pull them hard for you. I love everything you do. When you call me fucking dumb for the stupid shit I do. Wanna ride my back with you, fully undressed, no training wheels left for you. I'll pull them hard for you. Would you like to share your lunch with me? I'd surely be delighted to be the one you give the last Oreo to. If that's alright with you, do you want to that that's okay. 'Cause this kindergarten crush has got my stomach all twisted. You're sweeter than sugar, I'm addicted. My brain is doing bunny loops, I'm a disaster. Everything you do just makes my heart beat faster. I'm too scared to talk to you. I try to keep my courage, but I end up getting nervous and my face goes blue. You stick to me like every time I wanna tell you how I feel. I freeze up, my knees start to shake, and the way you look is so unreal. You're my own Achilles heel. And this kindergarten crush has got my stomach all twisted. You're sweeter than sugar, I'm addicted. My brain is doing bunny loops, I'm a disaster. Everything you do just makes my heart beat faster. Oh, this kindergarten crush is getting me wrong. I don't know what to do, so I wrote you a song. And this thing is going further than originally planned, so I hope you won't mind if I ask you to hold my hand.
This is erosion. Grind up rocks with your molars. A big fish swims past your rod. You can't catch it, it's far too fast. Deep bookmarks and rubber lips. I see your eyes in the flowers. I'll pick a bunch for your room, green and blue to match your pictures. You look so good in green. I hope you're well, and you look so good with him, and I'm proud of you still. I miss your perfect teeth. I was too blunt. I hope you feel happy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Mess in the kitchen. I was so disappointed. I guess I got to my head, and I was too young to understand it. I get it now that it's too late. I never stop feeling guilty. I'm over it. I promise that I just gotta sing it out of me. You look so good in green. I hope you're well, and you look so
really give a damn about the way you touch me when we're alone. You can hold my hand if no one's home. Do you like it when I'm away? If I wouldn't hurt my body, baby, would you love me the same? I can feel all my bones coming back and I'm craving motion. Mama never really learned how to live by herself. It's a curse and it's growing. You're a pond and I'm an ocean. Oh, all my emotions feel like explosions when you are around. And I found a way to kill the sound. Oh, baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need you here to stay. I broke all my bones that day I found you. Crying at the lake. Was it something I said to make you feel like you're a burden? Oh, and if I could take it all back, I swear that I would pull you from the tide. Oh, whoa, 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 I said no. I said no. Listen close, it's a no. The wind is a pounding on my back, and I found hope in a heart attack. Oh, at last it is past. Now I've got it, and you can't have it. Baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need you here to stay. I broke all my bones that day I found you. Crying at the lake. Was it something I said to make you feel like you're a burden? Oh, and if I could take it all back, I swear that I would pull you from the top. Asleep, I've seen this person watching me saying, is it worth it? Is it worth it? Tell me, is it worth it? Oh. Is there something and there's nothing, there's nothing in between, and in my eyes there is a tiny dancer watching over me. He's singing, she's a lady, and I am just a boy. He's singing, she's a lady, and I'm just a line without a hook. Baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need you here to stay. Broke all my bones that day I found you.
tangled close to the jukebox bars you frequent, the safest place to hide. A long night spent with your most obvious weakness. You start shaking at the thought. You are everything I want, 'cause you are everything I'm not. And we like together just now. Too close, too close. Close is we like together just now. Too close, too close. I just wanna break you down so badly. Well, I jump over everything you say. I just wanna break you down so badly. In the worst way. My inarticulate store-bought hangover hobby kit, it's and it says you are so cool. Scissor shape across the bed. You are red, violet red. You hollow out my hungry eyes. You hollow out my hungry eyes. And we like together just now. Too close, too close. We like together just now. Too close, too close. I just wanna break you down so badly. Well, I jump over everything you say. Well, I just wanna break you down so badly. In the worst way. I just wanna break you down so badly. Well, I jump over everything you say. I just wanna break you down so badly. In the worst way. I'm gonna make damn sure that you can't ever leave. No, you won't ever get too far from me. You won't ever get too far from me. I'll make damn sure that you can't ever leave. No, you won't ever get too far from me. You won't ever get too far from me. You won't ever get too far from me. You won't ever get too far. I just wanna break you down so badly. Well, I jump over everything you say. Well, I just wanna break you down so badly. In the worst way. Well, I just wanna break you down so badly. I just wanna break you down so badly. In the worst way.
Whoa, I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment so I can say I need you so, 'cause right now you know that nothing heals me, and I'm obsessed with you. Then I fell to the ground, and she smiled at me and said,
I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said, I love you till the day that I die. Well, maybe she's right, 'cause I don't wanna feel like I'm not me. And to be honest, I don't even know why I let myself get down in the first place. Trying to keep my mind at bay. Sunflowers still move at night. Waiting for a minute till the sun seems to rise. Take it down, 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 down. Take it down, 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 down. need to get yourself to sleep and dream a dream of you and I. There's no need to keep an open eye. I promise I'm the one for you. Just let me hold you in these arms tonight. I'm lucky to be me, you can see it in my face. Back when I fucked my shit up too many times, why would I let myself get down in the first place? Trying to keep my mind at bay. Sunflowers still moving night. Waiting for a minute till the sun seems through my eyes. Take it down, 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 down. Take it down, 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 down. Waiting for a minute till the sun seems through my eyes. And so she sat me down and told me that I didn't have to cry. Said I didn't need to get down or feel empty inside. And then told me that she'll love me for as long as she's alive. And well, maybe she's right, 'cause I hate it when I feel like I'm not me. See, I honestly don't even know why. I honestly don't even know why.
I'm getting hickeys from my bed bugs. I'm getting busy with a bad perfume. I'm sticking kisses to a pen drug. I'm making friction with a sad vacuum. I'm getting jiggy with a rifle. I'll pull the trigger with my eyes closed, hoping to hit you somewhere vital. And when I miss you, come and kiss me with a smile. I'm having sex with a ghost, 'cause she knows I'm alone. She's a freak in the sheets, play it cool. Sleeping with the sex with a ghost, 'cause she knows I'm alone. She's a freak in the sheets, play it cool. Sleeping with a ghost. The only time I ever see her is when she's behind me in the mirror. Even from a distance I can hear her. I try to listen, but her whispers make my ears hurt. And on our dates it's never daytime. When she gets playful with a steak knife, I need a break, maybe I'll take 5. Shake it up and medicate, maybe I'll take 5. I'm having sex with a ghost, 'cause she knows I'm alone. She's a freak in the sheets, play it cool. Sleeping with the sex with a ghost, 'cause she knows I'm alone. She's a freak in the sheets, play it cool. Sleeping with a ghost. sex with a ghost, 'cause she knows I'm alone. She's a freak in the sheets, playing cool, sleeping with the sex with a ghost, 'cause she knows I'm alone. She's a freak in the sheets, playing cool, sleeping with a ghost.
My sweetheart's piano is rat-filled, and mine is infested with bugs. The music we make is unnatural, but it sounds just like falling in love. This butch, this butch, this butch, this butch, she makes me go weak in the knees, but I can't let her see me swoon, or else she may think I am weak. I sing her songs in my garage and make her fall in love with me. And once we're done, the sun is gone. We both just laugh so nervously. I talk real slow and speak real low, hoping she'll lean into me. And we just laugh, 'cause what was I? We can't take ourselves seriously. This bunch, this bunch, this bunch, this bunch, she makes me go weak in the knees, but I can't let her see me swoon, or else she may think I am weak.
I'm headed straight for the floor. The alcohol served its tour, and it's headed straight for my skin, leaving me daft and dim. I've got this shake in my legs, shaking the thoughts from my head. But who put these waves in the door? I cracking out, I pour. I'm Mr. Loverman, and I miss my lover man. I'm Mr. Loverman, oh, and I miss my lover. The ways in which you talk to me have me wishing I were gone. The ways that you say my name have me running on and on. Oh, I'm cramping up, I'm cramping up, but you're cracking up, you're cracking up. I'm Mr. Loverman, and I miss my lover man. I'm Mr. Loverman, oh, and I miss my lover. just my lover. I'll be the best boyfriend that you've ever had. I'll make you really happy and I'll never make you sad. I'll be the perfect lover if you promise not to tell. All the bodies in the basement all deserve to go to hell. I'm a soft guy by skin and a mean one at heart. So if you touch my lover, I will tear your world apart. 'Cause you're the best boyfriend that I've ever had. I love you more than flowers and I think you're really rad. You give me lots of kisses and I give you lots of hugs. All my friends inside the sewers really like to play with Buzz. You're a smart guy by skin, but a dumb one at heart. I'm cute, but I am vicious. I will tear your world apart. Was I the best boyfriend that you've ever had? I tried to make you happy, but you only made me sad. I told you that I loved you, but I'll never be enough. So I made you my new angel and I stowed you in the dust. I'm heaven by skin and a demon at heart. So be kind to all your lovers, 'cause I'm hiding in the dark. I'll be the best boyfriend that you'll ever have. I'll make you really happy and I'll never make you sad. I'll be the perfect lover if you promise not to tell. All the bodies in the basement all deserve to go to hell.
The word tragic means a lot to me. I got bullied a lot as a teen. I know the cut and I know how to bleed. You'll never know how much it means to me. My mommy said that God sees everything. He knows I'm good and I just want to be friends with these kids who are so mean to me. Why can't you all be nice to me? Cute guy, nice face, wrong time, wrong place. I knew in the matter of a minute. His face was smashed, his skin was burnt, his shirt was torn in the dirt. Cute guy, nice face, wrong time, wrong place. I knew in the matter of a minute. His face was smashed, his skin was burnt, his shirt was torn. I know a ghost, good friend, bad host, parents found out, cell phone left out, bullies get bullied, cycle repeating, bullies get bullied, cycle repeating. So count me out, so please don't leave. I need you more than you need me. You're beautiful and smart and kind, while I am ugly, full of lies. Like you and me, we're always safe. I ran the fuck away, like I could be grown up someday. God damn it, I'm sorry. 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 Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't be with you anymore. I can't live like this anymore. I can't hold your heart anymore. I need you to go on without me. You're always drunk alone with your best friends. I'm always stuck alone with my repressed thoughts, with my repressed thoughts, with my repressed thoughts, with my repressed thoughts. I thought that evil was young, the devil was old, and winter was hot, while summer was cold. But I was so backwards in my thoughts, and I was so backwards in my heart, and I was so stuck in a fucking rut. It took so much fucking guts to walk away, to end that pain, to leave my home, to break those chains. And I was so backwards in my thoughts, and I was so backwards in my heart, and And I was so backwards in my thoughts, and I was so backwards in my heart, and I was so stuck in a fucking rut.
My feet are aching, and your back is pretty tired, and we've drunk a couple bottles, babe, and set our grief aside. The papers say it's doomsday, the button has been pressed. We're gonna nuke each other up, boys, till old Satan stands impressed. And here it is, our final night alive. And as the earth burns to the ground, oh girl, it's you that I lie with. As the atom bomb knocks in, oh, it's you I watch TV with. As the world caves in. You put your finest suit on, I paint my fingernails. Oh, we're going out in style, babe, and everything's on sale. We creep up on extinction, I pull your arms right in, I weep and say goodnight, love, while my organs pack it in. And here it is, our final night alive. And as the earth turns to the ground, oh girl, it's you that I lie with. As the atom bomb locks in, oh, it's you I watch TV with. As the world cares, oh, it's you that I lie with. As the atom bomb locks in, yes, it's you I welcome death with. As the world caves in. As the world caves in.